Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Civivi Ortis here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Look at this, Civivi Ortis. They are nice because they include a soft pouch with every purchase you do, and of course it's going to come with this box, a couple of Civivi stickers, Civivi leaflet, you've got Civivi microfiber cloth, and of course you've got your Civivi knife, which is in this case the Ortis, and it's an interesting liner lock, FRN fiberglass reinforced nylon handles, and backspacer, of course, deep carry pocket clip, all murdered out. Nice hollow grind, kind of like Persian blade, with this cutout over here, which you can, I can't really have, I can do a spidey flick. I cannot, I can also do the thumb, but also, of course, you gotta have a flipper tab here to do your push button, which is gonna work, or like your light switch, which is gonna work as well. So you have a couple options here. This guy, overall length is not too big. It's kind of like, like 7.5 inches with a 3-inch long cutting edge and a 4.25 inch long handle. It's a nicely done one, guys. You've got reversible clip. You can mount it on this side, even if it's gonna ruin a little bit the aesthetic. You've got this fake bolster kind of look going on. Milling areas here, nicely 3D milled scales, and this is what you expect. Of course, Civivi keyed in pivot. It's not spinning when you want to take this guy apart. If you want to know, you can also check my maintenance video about this one. Of course, you've got HCR 18 MOV steel over here, blacked out, hollow grind, nicely stone washed. It's nicely done, guys. This guy is running on bearings. It is because the blade is not that heavy. It's super slicey and thin. You're gonna have like a falling like that, but no free fall, no guillotine effect. You're gonna have to wiggle this guy in order for you to be able to close the blade like that. So yeah, it's I mean, it's a budget knife, I would say, in the order of $60–70. So around that. Also, weight is going to be contained because of, look at the internal skeletonization going on. Stainless steel liners, super slicey. I mean, this is an interesting one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.